A final way to customize your PowerPoint is to add in pictures, and adding in pictures from the internet or pictures that you've taken. And to add in a picture from the internet, what I would do is I would go again into my Insert tab and click on Online Pictures, and then Pictures from Bing. Pictures from OneDrive, or if I've shared pictures or I've saved pictures into my OneDrive, if I click on Pictures from Bing, it'll allow me to search, do a web search. So I'm going to look up pictures from the movie Divergence, since that's the topic of my other scenario here. And I know that Divergence is a movie, and so maybe I want to click on that icon and then Insert. And from there, it'll drop it down, and I can drag it to where I want it. I can resize it to make it a little bit bigger. And then additionally, you can add in different borders. So I can have a border that's white, have it more inlaid, a gray border, have it just kind of hovering with a shadow. So you can kind of go through and decide what it is that you want. I like to have mine about the same. You can also crop the picture. So if I didn't want part of my picture here, I can readjust this and crop it out. And what will happen is that we'll make it its own tiny picture of the Terminator icon, but not Arnold Schwarzenegger.